Welcome back. In this video, we will talk about some of the popular open source RAG evaluation frameworks. One of the popular evaluation frameworks is RAGAS, which is pretty useful and it gives you a variety of metrics, just like the ones we talked in the previous video, which you can use to evaluate a RAG system. We have DeepEval, which is also one of the very popular open source LLM and RAG evaluation frameworks. And we also have Opik, which is one of the newer frameworks to help evaluate LLMs and RAG systems. Now, we will be using DeepEval in a hands-on demonstration. So why is DeepEval a useful framework? It offers a variety of evaluation metrics, including custom metrics, which you can set up using GEval. You can use even RAGAS metrics through DeepEval. You can refer to all the metrics we talked about in the previous video, including faithfulness, contextual recall, precision, relevancy, hallucination metrics, and enables robust and tailored evaluation of LLM outputs for a variety of use cases. It also offers you various deployment options in the form of supporting both local machine evaluations as well as cloud-based evaluations on ConfidentAI's infrastructure, which is the organization which has open sourced the DeepEval framework. It provides flexibility for a variety of environments and resource constraints. Efficient bulk evaluation allows evaluation of entire datasets in parallel with minimal code, pretty much in less than 20 lines of code, and it includes the command line interface or the evaluate function to streamline large-scale LLM evaluations. Also, it can be used to set up CI/CD testing for your LLM and RAG system evaluations, where it is compatible with any existing CI/CD pipelines and enables automated and continuous LLM evaluation across development cycles, especially when you have real-time production-ready evaluations as a requirement. An overall DeepEval is pretty customizable and extensible, provides you a base metric class where you can create your own custom metrics, and also tailors evaluations to unique RAG-based system or fine-tuning system requirements. So overall, it is quite flexible and easy to use, and this is the framework we'll be using in the future videos for the hands-on. That's it for this video. I'll catch up with you in the next one. Thank you.